Tired of banking jargon and endless paperwork just to open a simple bank account in Germany? Let's simplify the process together and get you set up with Sparkasse. Step 1. Gather your documents. If you're a resident, you'll need your passport or national ID, and your registration certificate, also known as anmelden. Non-residents will typically require a passport and proof of address from their home country. Step 2. Explore the different account options Sparkasse offers. They have a variety of accounts tailored to different needs, from basic current accounts for everyday transactions to savings accounts and investment options. Check their website or visit a branch to see what suits you best. Step 3. Fill out the application. You can often download the form online or get it directly at a Sparkasse branch. Be prepared to provide your personal details, contact information, and choose your desired account type. Step 4. Verify your identity. Sparkasse usually requires you to verify your identity in person at a branch. However, some branches offer online verification through video call, which can be more convenient. Step 5. Receive your account details and card. Once your application is approved and your identity is verified, you'll receive your account information, including your IBAN and BIC, and your Sparkasse bank card. Congratulations, you've successfully opened a Sparkasse bank account. You can now start managing your finances in Germany with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides on living in Germany.